to the next problem here. Okay, this one here again another inequality, and means what do we have in common between two sets? And when you see and means like intersection, or what we have in common between. This is a symbol we use for that. Okay, so the first one we have 24 less than or equal to 9x minus 3. So if I simply solve for this inequality, if I add 3 to both sides of the inequality, I would get 24 minus 3
Shouldn't it say positive 3 on both sides? Or
yeah, that was plus 3. Thank you. 24 plus 3. That would give you 27. That would be 9x. And then we divide both sides by 9. You notice again we are dividing by positive, so we don't change the direction of inequality. So this would be the first set here. It says and or intersection. Right, the next one, 9x minus 10 less than or equal to 53. So if I add 10 to both sides of the inequality, I get 9x less than or equal to, okay, what do we get here? We get 63. So if I divide both sides by 9, x would be less than or equal to 7. Now to see what we have in common between these two sets, best would be to graph the lines. So let's say this is 0. X is greater than 3 would be all the numbers to the right of 3 or left of 3?
Right.
Right of 3, very good. So this is 3, 4, 5.
Greater than is right.
Very good.
Right.
Okay. So all the numbers that are greater than 3,
Is it B?
including 3, right? Well, I'm sorry, what was the question? Okay, so this would be the range, right? Go forever. X is less than 7 would be all the numbers to the right of 7 or left of 7?
Left.
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 Right. Okay. So what do we have in common between these two sets? That's what we have to look at. What we have in common would be all the numbers between what?
3 and 7.
Right. What we have in common would be all the numbers between 3 and 7. Not including 7, but including 3. Does that make sense? So how do you write
Yes.
this in interval notation? Brackets, 3, comma, 7, parentheses. And that looks like option A.
Option
Question? We see what we're doing here?
Yes, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Hi, this is Sylvia. What is, if it's a regular paren, what does that mean? Does that mean it can go past that?
I'm sorry, say that
You know
again?
those, okay, you have a bracket and you have like a paren sign.
Parentheses,
Okay, so a bracket, a hard bracket like that, that means it can't go any further. Is that correct?
Yeah, brackets means the endpoint is included. And if you're
So
including
it's
3,
solid.
right, solid, very good.
It's
We're
solid.
saying 3. Parentheses means the endpoint is not included. See, 7 is not part of the solution because it doesn't say equal to here. If it doesn't say equal to, we make a little hole here, and then we use the parentheses. If you are using brackets, means the endpoint is included because it says equal sign here. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Right.
That makes sense.
When you go to the textbook, ebook, take a look at the interval notation. They give you a bunch of examples too.
Okay.